Hi folks, today we are going to do a quick tutorial on basic math. So what is average, what is mean and mode, and how do you calculate the percentage change? Okay, here we go. So average is the sum of numbers divided by the number in the list. So if the test scores are 84, 89, 87, 85, 64, and 97, and if you want to find the average test score, you're going to sum up those numbers, 84 plus 89 plus 87, and etc., and divide the sum of these numbers by 6, because we have 6 items in this list. So why don't you pause this video and try figure it out yourself. So I hope you are able to do it, because the average score is 84. What about median? So basically that is the number in the middle of the list. So let's have a look at these test scores again. And those are the steps you want to follow. First, you want to sort your numbers from the smallest to the largest, and then find the number in the middle. So the number between 65 and 97 is 81. And that's why if you are trying to find the median score, 81 is going to be the median score. Mode is the most common number. So again, if you have 20 different test scores, the most common number is going to be the mode. Okay? And again, what about pausing this video and trying to find out the mode of those test scores? Okay, I hope you were able to figure out that the mode is 84. First, you sort from the smallest to the largest, and then you find the most common number, 84. Alright, so how do you calculate the percentage change? Let's say you're writing about unemployment. You want to say that the unemployment changed that much from 2000 to 2001. How do you do it? Well, let's have a look. Let's calculate together the percentage of change of the unemployment rate in the United States from 2007 to 2012. So if unemployment in 2007 was 7,645,000 people, and obviously it grew up by 2012 to 12,500,000. So by how much the unemployment increased from 2007 to 2012? So those are the steps you want to follow. First, subtract the smaller number from the larger one, and the smaller number is going to be a new number, or the recent year. Step number 2, you divide the amount of the change by the earliest year. And then, to change the decimal into a percentage, you want to multiply the number by 100. So we'll find out that unemployment increased by 63% within those 5 years. So let's have a look at this tricky question. If the state tax goes up from 4% to 6%, is it correct to say that the sales tax will go up by 2%? Well, no, we need to do the same calculations as for the percentage change. Okay? And you can do it yourself, and you'll see that the state tax increased by 50%. So it'll be correct to say that the state sales tax is going up 2 percentage points, or is going up by 50%. Alright, what about reporting rates? How do you report on the number of people murdered in a city? First, you want to divide the number of murders in a city by its population. Secondly, you want to multiply those numbers by 1,000, because you're reporting for 1,000 residents. So can you do it yourself now? Why don't you have a look at these numbers and figure out what is the crime rate in Athens and Rosewood?